G'day team, Uncle Jojo, warm cheek up to another Rip Roaring episode. Today we're just going to talk shower inlays. So shower inlays are extremely popular these days, and what it is cutting a shelf inside your shower area or your wet area. It's actually one of the leading causes of water damage in a home, so you need to be super duper careful. The first section is the bottom is actually on a slight rake. So there's a 3 to 5 mil fall from the back edge to the front edge. That's so that when I put my shampoo or conditioner on that ledge, the water doesn't run back, the water will actually run straight off the front of it. The other section of that is that I've overlapped each of these joints. If you have a look here, this is a really nice cut on both edges. And there's no cut in the center here. The back piece here as well will also be one big cut. The reason being, the more cuts that I have going through it, the more area it is for the chemicals from soap to seep in and start to deteriorate the grout. That's the last thing that we want. This is actually cut on an angle, and I'll just take these out so you can have a look. The bottom of the side tile you can see is slightly cut on an angle, so that just houses straight over the top of that. Then the bottom tile itself is actually just sitting on some packers. You can see I've got 2 tile packers there that are already on an angle, and I'll fill up the remaining area on glue, and then that sits exactly on that angle that I'm after, so that any water that does hit it will actually run off, and anything that runs over the sides, it can run between. This will all be siliconed, but if anything does get in between, it'll actually run on our membrane all the way down and into our drain. Remember, that's underneath our shower base down here. So that's the idea of the membrane, making sure that everything, if anything does leak, it can still go down into those drains in that wet area, the puddle flange or anything like that. But this is reducing any chances of chemicals eating away our grout. Really good fall, so no water just sits on there flat, and that's all going to be cut in nice and neat. Don't forget that when we did this, there's gauze all the way around that's been super duper waterproof, and Sikaflex or construction adhesive that's waterproof has gone into every single one of those joints. So, and it's had 4 coats of membrane, so it's really well sealed. If you've got any questions or queries about waterproofing or shower inlays, shower shelves, flick it over and I'll answer it for you best I can, whenever I can. Thanks for watching. Like always, stay unreal banana peels, and I'll see you in the SOOOO.